Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dins, and on this episode, we're going to talk about Cronos. What's been going on with it? We all know that the crypto market has crashed drastically, and it seems to be coinciding with negative news and negative stock market, which is for better or for worse. I don't know. It's not a good thing, I think, because the worry behind that is what's going on right now with this whole war is something big is probably going to happen every few days, like, oh, somebody dropped a new bomb. Boom, news story. Oh, stock market tanks. What happens when the stock market tanks? Crypto's been dropping. However, long term, I think Cronos is a huge, excellent buy right now. So let's look at these charts and see what's going on here. All right, so we're going to get me out of the way. I just want to block the beginning so you don't look at the charts too soon, So here we go. So this was the big breakout that it had. And I was very excited for this. Very excited for it because I thought it was going to absolutely fly. And it kind of did. And from 40, where to break out? About 40 cents to 55, which is about 35, a little over 35%. So it's great. However, I think it's eventually going to go here. So what's been happening? Everything's been falling. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin as well. It's the same thing. If you haven't noticed, everything does exactly what Bitcoin does, except altcoins do it more drastically. If the fundamentals are there, not every coin is going to do this. So they're doing the same thing. And now it's time to fly. It'll be delayed a little. Watch what happens. Bitcoin's been going up, so this is going to keep going up. But as long as Bitcoin goes up, this is going to randomly spike out of nowhere. And if it doesn't, it's probably because Bitcoin didn't do it. So if Bitcoin falls, we've been holding this trend line pretty good for a pretty while here. Yeah, all weird lines everywhere. But if you kind of connect this, look at this. It's kind of a perfect trend line. I don't know what the hell, that line, we don't need it. So I like it. Boom, 2, 3. We zoom in, we can see it really does touch all these times. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. So I think the worst case scenario, if we stay bullish, is 37 cents. By if we stay, I mean the entire crypto market. So the only way that this falls below here is if Bitcoin falls below here. This is even worse. This is a trend line that goes way back here, but this is kind of the trend line for now. So we'll see what happens. Now, as you know, I'm very bullish on Cronos, and I think it's not without reason to see a $10 Cronos pretty soon. Pretty soon, meaning the next couple of years. So I've explained this in other videos. It would have to overtake the market cap of Binance Coin, and that would be a 10x. So not exactly a 10x, it changes, but all we need is just the 10x. Oh, that's not a problem. Yes, you might think that that's ridiculous. Oh, it's got a 10x, it's got a 10x, blah, blah, blah. However, if Cronos and crypto.com become the #1 exchange, overtaking Coinbase, overtaking Binance, and just becomes this amazing boom. Everyone's using it. Every person got a crypto.com account. Let's buy Cronos. Easily overtake Binance. Easily. I see it happening. I think it'll eventually overtake Binance. It might take a few years, and this could 10 to 20x. That's why right now is a good time to load up, especially if you were loading up here. Ooh, yeah, I bought some here, but I didn't buy as much as I should have because I was a little worried, honestly. I was a little bit worried we're going to continue to go bear, but bounce back. And it's not just because I was worried, whatever, because a little bit of it is I already spent all my money on crypto. So it's a little bit hard. I'm able to throw a little bit each month. But I also throw at stocks each month. So can only pick which one to do. So, I'm a pretty conservative investor overall. Like, I don't throw all my money on one coin like some people do. But this is in my top 3 holdings, and I'm continuing to buy whenever I get more money to throw at crypto. Always looking at this. So that's all I got to say. I hope you had a wonderful day. I know I had a wonderful day watching these green candles. Woohoo! Very good day. So thanks. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Appreciate y'all love.